Hi fam, it's your mentor Joe Zawe here again with another tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make $10 every day as a complete beginner. Alright, so we are going to be trading synthetic indices. I'll try to do a complete tutorial on how you tend to go about this. And you can also check our website if you want to join our mentorship, www.josephciseconcept.com. That's the name of my YouTube channel and r.com. Then you get my WhatsApp number and other packages. So I just deposited this $50. As you can see, this is the date. I just deposited this $50. Now, you want to be realistic. You are going to have a target of like $10, just $10 profit daily. So starting with $50 is going to be good. If you start with $10, you want to make $10, it is possible, but it's going to be a whole lot of stress. So this account is real. You are going to see this plus and this box sign here. This is used for deposit and withdrawal. Then you also tend to see this one. Most people tend to say people tend to trade demo. You having the same $10 and I have the same $10 means like we have the same cash but not the same skill. Okay, so let's stop this negative stuff. So now if you want to go ahead to trade this one, all you need to do is like master the skill. Look for PRs that are less volatile. If you don't know about synthetic indices, then you can just look for materials online or you join the mentorship. I do offer mentorship for crypto, forex, and synthetic indices 1 month completely for beginners. So let's say now we want to trade this V151S. Okay, it is what not too volatile. When I do come to the chart, the first thing I'll try to do is like to identify the direction of the market. So this is what an uptrend. We have higher highs, higher lows. But now what are we seeing? We are seeing change of character, right? Lower low. This was our previous like low. It has been broken. So lower low, you have lower high, lower low, lower high. So this is like a change of character. So what I normally do is like if I want to scalp, I'll just come to the edge one. I'll start looking here. So you can see like here, this is what so a resistance at the top. So you can just draw, but I've been able already to identify this particular area. Then you now expect what? Draw all your key levels. If price is going to drop next, you're expecting price to drop to this particular point here. If price breaks through this particular point, then so this is step by step. Okay, you just wait for the right entry. You wait for the right entry. All right, so price have to appear. What you want to do now is like to scalp. So the smallest lot size for this particular pair is 0.01. So let's just be selling. So we have entered for what? A sell. Okay, we have entered for a sell. We are expecting this to sell. Now one thing I want you to do is like you need to avoid opening multiple positions. All right, you need to avoid opening multiple positions. Just open like 1 or 2 positions. Like for this pair is not that too volatile, but if you do have an entry, the wrong entry, if you enter the wrong way, then you're going to be able. I just want to like just do this in a very fast way, then we are out of the market. All right, so this is like what real account. Again, if it's demo, you are going to see demo at the top. So this real account. So now we have entered. So let's say we want to make $10 profit. Let's use this XE app. If you do enter $10, so this is $10. So if you are in Sierra Leone, $10 is equivalent to 227 loans. The Turkish lira in Nigeria, that's going to be about 16,000 naira. So these are all the equivalents. So this is about 1,200, and this is 145 Ghanaian cedis. So now you might say this is very small, but if you come here, let's say $10, all right, times 5, that's within 5 days is going to be $50. So if you come back here, I believe like $50 is even more than the minimum wage in Sierra Leone and other countries like Nigeria. And also you see, so this is going to be realistic. Now you might want to also ask, is it possible for me to be able to make this? Yes, you just have to have like a proper risk management. You are not going to win all trade. Your risk to reward should be like very solid, at least 1:3. Don't go for 1:2, go for 1:3. Then it's way more easier like that. So now we have entered. What are we expecting? I'm expecting price to break all the way down to this particular point here. All right, so this particular point, this way I'm expecting the price to drop down to. I might even add more positions again, but the thing is, now I'm expecting price to just come here again. All right, for price to just come here, so we need to take this account to $60. When this account is $60, it means we are done for today. So what I'll do is, like, I'll try to make this as a series wherein I tend to make this over and over, so people tend not to say like this is luck. Now you might want to say like, why is Josao doing this? Yes, I'm a big trader, but you already know, like, in support of you guys. I just want to support what beginners. All right, I want to support beginners, for you guys to see like it is possible. All you need is what, the right skill, and the right skill is what I'm here to give to you. What did you notice when I opened the chart? The first thing I did was to identify what my market structure is. This a bullish structure, a bearish, or a ranging market, or two-sided structure? After that, I try to go to the higher time frame. Now I'm scalping. Scalping is like I'm going to enter the market for a very short period of time, then I'll just move out again. So I just always like look for the higher time frame, like the H1, the 1 hour at the top. You are seeing from the top here. Then after which I just exercise patience to just do my entry. I can do my entry from the H1, or I can just go to the 30-minute time frame. Okay, as you are seeing, I can go to the 30-minute time frame, then I'll just do my entry. So I'm expecting price to drop all the way down here if it breaks this low, because now you are seeing change of character. This market was an uptrend, forming higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, another high high. But now we have lower low here. This was the previous low. This was the lowest price before. But when the sellers enter the market, they break this particular previous low. So now we have low again. This was our what, low, yeah. Now we have a new low. So I'm expecting the sellers to enter the market again and break this current low. If they break this low, you are going to get a pullback to the upside. You are going to get a pullback to the upside. When you do have a pullback to the upside, then we are going to get what, another low. This low that is going to be formed, that is going to be broken for this one to form, then that's going to be our new low. All right, so guys, let's say how this is just going to like go. Like currently we are making $3, so we have like $7. If I want to like make more profits, what I'll do is like I'll open more position. I'll just stack. I'll open a lot of positions, but I don't want you guys to open a lot of positions. Okay, just try to use the smallest lot size for each pair, and you go slowly. Okay, you just go slowly. You're almost going to $4. Just open the smallest lot size. So the smallest lot size is 0.01 for this particular pair. So you just go slowly, because this one is not volatile. Now you trying to be able to achieve this $10 means like you need the pairs that you are supposed to like what select. You need to know the pairs. If you select pairs that are very volatile, like V50 1S, you are going to just blow up your account with just what, a little bit of pullback. So you need to also master this. So let's see how this is going to go, fam. Let's see how this is going to.
A few moments later.
So far, our trade is running in profit already. So this is the same account, okay? This is the same account, and you see the same deposit that I made for today here. So we are currently running about $9. So let's go to the chart. I have to have like more positions here. I just open more position. This pair is like pretty slow. We have already reached our target. As mentioned, we just want to make $10. So we'll close. Yeah, we'll just like close. Okay, so let's come to our history. You see the profit. You deposit what, 50, profit of like 11.73. So 11.73, let's go here. 11.73. So that's about 266 millions in Sierra Leone. Nigeria is about 18,000, almost 19,000. Yeah. Then you come to Liberia, that's about 2,344, and Kenya 1,500, Ghana 170. Now, this is like very little. Yes, I know it is very, very little, but it is a start. Okay, it is a start. if you are going to be able to make like the $50 a day, $100 a day, 200, 250, 1,000, you need more like capital, you need more skill. Now, you just want to be realistic, you just want to go easy. All right, you just want to go easy. If you go to our website, if you just go to our website here, josephsuseconcept.com. All right, let me just show you guys. You come down here, you go to our services. All right, if you go to our service page, you can see we have different plans for beginners. These are the benefits you are going to get. Beginner pro. All right, this like for 2 months, this one lasts for 1 month, and this one also is like for private. If you are very busy with work, these are the benefits. So when you come, you want to communicate with us, just go to this WhatsApp icon. It's going to take you directly to our office WhatsApp. You can also like practice. You can also like practice, and also I told you like price was going to come here. Okay, the price was going to definitely come here. So yeah, we are done for today making our $10. So just be realistic. Now what you are supposed to do is like we are going to keep doing this. All right, we are going to keep doing this so you guys know like it's not luck. I'll keep doing this to encourage you guys. You can make the $10, the $15, the $100, 500, just depend on the skill and the capital you have. Hope like this serves as a motivation for you. Stay blessed. I'm Josao from Sierra Leone, West Africa.